everyone, bună tuturor and welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to learn Romanian idioms. Idioms are very important to learn when studying a language, not only because it's going to help you enrich your vocabulary, but also because it's going to help you discover the culture of a country. The idioms that I'm going to mention in this video are used very often by Romanians, so they are going to be very helpful if you're going to go to Romania or if you're studying Romanian. Let's start. The first one, freci menta. Freci menta. It literally means that you are rubbing the mint. The actual meaning is that you are being lazy or you're not doing anything. So if we put it into context, for example, if you ask somebody, what have you been doing today? Ce ai făcut astăzi? The answer can be, am frecat menta. I was lazy, didn't do anything. So ce ai făcut astăzi? Am frecat menta. A fi prins cu mâța în sac. Once again, a fi prins cu mâța în sac. The literal translation is to be caught with the cat in the bag, which doesn't really make sense. Well, what it actually means is that someone caught you lying or cheating. So again, if we put it into context and you want to say, I know that you cheated on me, I caught you, that's going to be știu că m-ai înșelat pentru că te-am prins cu mâța în sac. Știu că m-ai înșelat pentru că te-am prins cu mâța în sac. Ați lua inima în dinți. Once again, ați lua inima în dinți. The literal translation is to take your heart in your teeth. Okay? But actually, if you have a conversation with a Romanian, what they try to say when they say ia-ți inima în dinți is to be brave. Okay, to be brave and to say something. So again, if we put it into context, for example, be brave and tell him that you love him. That's going to be ia-ți inima în dinți și spune-i că îl iubești. Okay, so once again, ia-ți inima în dinți și spune-i că îl iubești. A băga mâna în foc pentru cineva. A băga mâna în foc pentru cineva. The literal translation is you put your hand in the fire for somebody. But again, what it actually means is that somebody guarantees for you, so he's trying to defend you. Again, if we just put it into context, for example, if you want to say, I guarantee that he's innocent, bag mâna în foc că e nevinovat. Okay, so I guarantee that he's innocent. Bag mâna în foc că e nevinovat. Am eu ac de cojocul tău. Once again, am eu ac de cojocul tău. The literal translation is I have a needle for your coat. Okay, this means that you know exactly what to do in order to get your revenge on someone. So, for example, again, if we put it into context, if you want to say, I know what you did, I'm going to get my revenge, știu ce ai făcut, am eu ac de cojocul tău. Once again, știu ce ai făcut, Am eu ac de cojocul tău. So, don't worry, the revenge is coming. Te duce cu preșul. The literal translation is he carries you with the rug. What it actually means is that someone is trying to fool you, so you need to be careful. Once again, te duce cu preșul. For example, be careful, he's trying to fool you. Fii atent, încearcă să te ducă cu preșul. Fii atent, încearcă să te ducă cu preșul. Mi-a picat fisa. Once again, mi-a picat fisa. The literal translation is my coin dropped, but the meaning of the idiom is that you finally understood something. So, for example, if you want to say finally, I understood what I had to do, you're going to say în sfârșit mi-a picat fisa și am înțeles ce trebuie să fac. În sfârșit mi-a picat fisa și am înțeles ce trebuie să fac. Next one, mi-a picat fața. Be careful. It's very similar to the one that I have just mentioned. This one means my face dropped. Once again, mi-a picat fața. Different than the previous one that was mi-a picat fisa, so my coin dropped. Mi-a picat fața, so my face dropped, means that you were shocked or surprised by something. For example, am auzit veștile și mi-a picat fața. I heard the news and I was shocked. So, am auzit veștile și mi-a picat fața. Am auzit veștile și mi-a picat fața. La Paștele cailor. This literally means at the horse's Easter. Once again, la Paștele cailor. It means that it will probably never happen. For example, if you want to say, I'm never going to finish the project, that's going to be o să termin proiectul la Paștele cailor. O să termin proiectul la Paștele cailor. Mă scoți din pepeni. The literal translation is you take me out of my watermelons. The actual meaning is you are driving me crazy. You are pushing my buttons. So, once again, mă scoți din pepeni. Prietenul meu face glume proaste și mă scoate din pepeni. Prietenul meu face glume proaste și mă scoate din pepeni. Okay, very well done. Let's have a look at all the idioms once again. Please make sure that you repeat them after me. Freci, menta. A fi prins cu mâța în sac. A-ți lua inima în dinți. A băga mâna în foc pentru cineva. Am eu ac de cojocul tău. Te duce cu preșul. Mi-a picat fisa. Mi-a picat fața. La Paștele cailor. Mă scoți din pepeni. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Now you know how to use 10 Romanian idioms. I hope that you are going to find them useful either if you are learning Romanian or if you are going to go to Romania. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye bye!